Hello everyone and welcome to another Easy Way video where I'm excited to show you how to unblock all websites on a school Chromebook. This is very simple and I'm happy because you will be able to play, watch anything on your school book, on your school computer. So the first thing you have to do is to go to edu.esic.org and I will send the link in the description, so don't worry. And here you will be able to press on apps. You will be able to watch Netflix, YouTube, Twitch, etc. And then you can go to games. You can play games here, nothing is blocked. So for example, I want to play, I don't know, a slope. I will be able to play this game. And no window or a screen telling me that I'm not able to do this. So as you can see, it starts the game. I'm going to mute the tab to not have sounds, and then you press play. As you can see, I'm playing a game. I'm not on a Chromebook, but this will work for you, don't worry. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button, and see you next time. Easy way.